this is the hot knife cutter. Comes with a little hook to hang it. It is air cooled. I have been using this blade, so it is dirty. I need to use the wire brush to clean that off with. Has a temperature gauge. But that is it, my hot knife cutter. Let's see how it does. It comes in this hard carrying case that included some pliers, an Allen wrench adapter tool, a couple of 6-inch blades, a couple of 8-inch blades, one flexible slotted blade. This blade is the one I used to bend to put in this slide here. This slide didn't come with it, the small slide. I actually ordered this separately, but you can use that to cut different shapes. It did come with a large slide and the guide, 2 other little side guides, a little box with a small blade in it. It does have a couple of wire brushes for cleaning the blades. In addition to what came in the kit, I also purchased an angle slide so I can cut angles in the thing. It comes with a guide also. And the kit I ordered came with another slotted bendable blade that you can adjust for this, and another blade itself. I'm using a mask because the melting foam can be toxic. I do have a fan, that's the loud noise you hear. 1, because it's hot, and 2, to help ventilate this area. But this is just an example of what this foam knife can do. I'm going to use my saw, my hand saw, to cut these instead of the foam cutter. I've gotten spoiled with the hot knife. As you can see, this was a lot more work than what I was wanting to do. So switched from this back to the hot knife to cut the corner sections.